Hi, this is John Sonmez from Pluralsight, and in this module we're going to be talking about annotations in Java. And annotations are kind of an interesting subject for Java. A lot of beginning Java programmers have some trouble understanding them, so I really wanted to make this module so that we could go in depth and really see how to use an annotation and how to create our own annotations and learn a little bit about a topic called reflection so that we can improve our Java development skills and really be able to take advantage of this powerful feature that is a little bit underused in the Java programming language. So let's go over what we're going to cover in this module. The first thing that we're going to do is we're basically going to define annotations. We're going to look at what annotations are and talk a little bit about the purpose of annotations. Then we're going to get a little bit more practical and we're going to look at some solid practical uses for annotations in Java so that we can really understand what purpose they're serving and why this is needed in a programming language that runs on a virtual machine, or how this is possible and kind of the advantages that we can get by using annotations. Then we're going to go and get into the code here, and I'm going to show you some of the built-in annotations in Java. It's kind of easier to understand how annotations work when you see them in action. So we're going to look at some of the ones that are built into the language and go through some of those examples. And then we're going to go ahead and create our own annotation. We're just going to create our annotation class, and I'm going to show you how you could create that and decorate some code using that annotation. Then we're going to take a brief stop, and we're going to talk about an important concept in Java called reflection. And reflection we have not really covered very much so far, but this is kind of a more advanced topic, so we're not going to get too far into it. We're just going to define what reflection is in order to understand how to use annotations. And that will bring us to our last section of this module, which is using our annotation code. So the annotation that we create, we're going to go ahead and use that in some code, and that's going to really help us to understand how annotations work and how you could use them practically in your Java development.